Okay, a car we do ever so well with, and one of my personal favourites, the Land Rover Range Rover. This one's just arrived, priced at £94,990. This is a D300 HSE, triple black car, so black exterior, Santorini Black, black interior, and the 23-inch wheels, all important in black as well, with the shadow pack, which gives it the subtle change to the colour, but still keeping it really stealthy. This has over and above options for an HSE, so we've got the sliding roof, deployable Towbar, the shadow pack, the 23-inch wheels, but the HSE giving you so many great features: soft closing doors, head-up display, heated and ventilated front seats, Meridian 3D surround system. It's a 300 brake horsepower car that has all-wheel steering, a great performance, an incredible drive, and this one on a 24 plate with 13,000 miles on is in a wonderful order, and it is superbly priced. Now, what do we love about these cars? Pure luxury throughout, Napa leather finishes, premium cabin lighting. This is also the 24 model year release, so it has the digital dials for the climate control removed from the center console, so it makes it a little bit sleeker and a bit more modern. We've got the wood finish through the doors, memory seat, electric seat, so many great features, soft closing doors. But the opening sunroof for me makes a big difference. I use it all year round. This car's got that. We've also got mud flaps front and rear as an option, and even in the rear, the passengers are getting an exceptional experience with reclining seats. We've got loads and loads of room, rear heated seats, rear climate control, and it's a great car to be driven in or surely to drive. 300 brake horsepower, still under Land Rover breakdown assistance and of course warranty until 2027. The factory deployable Towbar is a very costly option. Whether you're going to use it or not, it's going to increase its resale value when you come to get rid of it, but it is a really easy and key feature. So in the boot here at the back on the right hand side, you'll see we've got a cluster of buttons. One can raise and lower the car through the air suspension settings, and the other one, if we push that, will bring the Towbar out. So instead of getting on your hands and knees and having to fight with a Towbar, it comes out just like so, and it goes away just as easily. Assisted tailgate, privacy glass to the rear. This car is in a fantastic condition, and the colour combination will mean that we sell it really, really quickly. As you walk around it, you'll see the Santorini Black under our lights in the showroom, gives you that lovely shimmer through the paint. Everything is in a perfect condition, so wheels, immaculate. And the design of these wheels really fill the arches and is a really key design feature to the car, as is the shadow pack. So the atlases to the sides, all in a very, very dark grey colour, which is matched to the grille at the front and the badging, and some inserts through the front of the car. LED lights to the front as well, which are functional. If you're driving around, they'll pick out different obstacles as you drive. But upon the inside, you'll see so many driver focus features. We have adaptive cruise, we have lane assist with blind spot assist into the wing mirrors. Like I say, in an HSE, you're getting the upgraded sound system, which is the Meridian 3D surround, which is fantastic as a stereo. Driver focus features, so you might not know what this is if you've never sat in one of these cars. It's called a ClearSight Camera. It's situated in the area at the back of the car, and it gives you a real key and unique vision to what's behind you in the traffic situation. We've then got head-up display in the HSE, which is really nice. And then we've got things like heated wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats. You'll see, as I mentioned when I was talking about the car earlier on, we now haven't got the climate control dials here. They're into the screen, and we've got a wireless phone charger situated under there. 2 keys, 360 camera, which is top view, rear view, 3D view. And because we've got the Towbar, we get the towing camera as well. Wireless smartphone integration, so you'll jump in the car and your phone will connect wirelessly, plus a whole host of other infotainment features on that system. Sliding roof, black headlining, so it's a triple black car, so black interior, black exterior, black wheels, which is what sells for us. This car's fantastic. It's on the website. It's a 24 plate car, it's done 13,000 miles. It's an incredible price. We sell them very quickly. We sell a lot of them with a company to buy one from. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.